Storm chasing is the act of following and studying severe storms, like tornadoes, in real time. It's a unique blend of adventure, science, and sometimes danger, as people travel directly into the paths of powerful weather systems to observe them up close. Storm chasers often drive hundreds of miles, tracking weather patterns and using their knowledge to predict where storms will form and move next. People chase storms to learn more about how tornadoes form and behave. By understanding storms, researchers can help protect the public and save lives. The data collected during these chases is crucial for meteorologists and scientists, as it provides real-world information that can't be gathered in a laboratory. Every storm is different, and each chase offers new opportunities to discover how these natural phenomena work. The main goal is to gather information that can improve weather warnings. Chasing storms is not just about the thrill, it's about making a real difference in how we predict and respond to severe weather. The information gathered helps meteorologists issue more accurate and timely warnings, giving people precious extra minutes to seek shelter and stay safe. It is about science and safety. Researchers want to know how tornadoes start, move, and end. By studying the life cycle of storms, they can identify patterns and signals that might indicate when a tornado is about to form or dissipate. This knowledge is vital for improving our understanding of severe weather. This helps meteorologists give people more time to take cover. Every new piece of information matters. Even a few seconds of warning can mean the difference between life and death during a tornado. The work of storm chasers directly contributes to public safety and disaster preparedness. Storm chasing teams use special equipment. They measure wind, temperature, and pressure near tornadoes. Mobile radars, weather balloons, and portable sensors are just some of the tools used to collect data in the field. These instruments must withstand extreme conditions, and the teams must know how to deploy them quickly and safely. This kind of data is hard to get but very valuable. Accurate storm information is key to better forecasts. The more data scientists have, the better they can model and predict future storms, potentially saving even more lives in the process. Some storm chasers are scientists, while others are hobbyists. All share one goal: to learn about nature's most powerful storms and keep communities safe. The storm chasing community is diverse, with people from all backgrounds united by a passion for weather and a commitment to public safety. The work is risky, but the rewards can be life-saving. For many, the chance to contribute to science and help protect others makes every chase worth it. Storm chasing is more than just a pursuit of adrenaline. It's a vital part of understanding and surviving the world's most extreme weather. Tornadoes are fast, dangerous, and unpredictable. Their immense power and sudden movements make them one of nature's most challenging phenomena to study. Each tornado is unique, with its own path, speed, and intensity, making it nearly impossible to predict exactly where or when one will strike. Getting close enough to collect useful data is very hard. Researchers and storm chasers must often travel long distances at a moment's notice, racing against the clock to position themselves in the right place. The window of opportunity to gather information is often extremely short, and missing it can mean losing valuable scientific insights. Storms can change direction suddenly, putting chasers at risk. Even the most experienced teams can be caught off guard by a tornado's unpredictable path, forcing them to make split-second decisions to stay safe. Vehicles and equipment can get damaged or destroyed. High winds, flying debris, and hail can easily wreck expensive gear, leaving researchers with nothing but broken instruments and lost data. Traditional storm chasing means driving close to the tornado path. This requires skill, timing, and a lot of courage. Navigating rural roads, avoiding traffic, and staying ahead of the storm all add to the complexity and danger of the job. Sometimes it is just too dangerous to get the best data. Many times, important information is missed because people can't safely reach the area. Safety always comes first, and researchers must constantly weigh the risks against the potential rewards. Collecting accurate data during a tornado is also a race against time. Conditions change quickly, and storms can form and disappear in minutes. The atmosphere is constantly shifting, and what was a promising setup can vanish in the blink of an eye. If equipment is damaged or lost, the whole chase might be wasted. Months of planning and preparation can be undone in seconds by a single powerful gust or a piece of flying debris. Weather data needs to be collected very close to tornadoes, but being that close can put lives at risk. The closer researchers get, the more dangerous the situation becomes, yet the data gathered from these perilous positions is often the most valuable for understanding tornado behavior. This has always been the biggest challenge for storm researchers and chasers. Balancing the pursuit of knowledge with the need for safety is a constant struggle, and it's what makes tornado research both incredibly difficult and vitally important. Now technology is changing storm chasing. Autonomous drones are flying robots that do not need a pilot on board. They can be launched from a safe distance and sent straight into dangerous storms. Drones can fly into areas that people cannot safely reach. They are small, fast, and can handle rough weather. Scientists control them remotely and program them to collect specific data. With drones, researchers are no longer tied to the ground or stuck in a car. These drones are built tough, with strong motors and weatherproof bodies. Many can fly for long periods and cover many miles. They can carry many different sensors to measure wind, temperature, humidity, and more. Autonomous drones open new doors for storm research. They make it possible to gather data from inside tornadoes, not just near them. This is a game changer for meteorology and public safety. VORTEX stands for Verification of the Origins of Rotation in Tornadoes Experiment. It is a big research project in the United States. Scientists collect data about how tornadoes form, move, and fade away. This information is called VORTEX data. VORTEX data includes wind speed, air pressure, temperature, and humidity. It also includes radar images and video from inside storms. This data helps scientists understand what causes tornadoes to start and stop. Real-time data means scientists get information as it happens. This is very important during storms. With real-time VORTEX data, meteorologists can update warnings quickly and accurately. It can make the difference between life and death. VORTEX data is shared with weather centers and emergency teams. It helps everyone know what is happening in the storm. This helps communities prepare and stay safe during tornado outbreaks. Drones are launched from a safe location, well away from the dangerous core of the tornado or severe storm. This ensures the safety of the operators and the valuable equipment, while still allowing the drone to get close enough to gather critical data. Launch teams carefully monitor weather conditions and choose the best moment to send the drone into action. Operators can control the drone directly with a remote, guiding it through the sky, or they might pre-program a flight path using specialized computer software. This allows the drone to follow a precise route even in unpredictable weather. Meteorologists and engineers work together to plan these missions, making sure the drone will fly through the most important parts of the storm. Once airborne, the drone bravely heads straight into the heart of the storm. It can fly into areas that are far too dangerous for humans or even traditional aircraft, capturing data from inside the swirling winds and turbulent clouds. The drone is equipped with advanced sensors that measure wind speed, temperature, humidity, and air pressure. These instruments collect detailed information about the storm's structure and intensity, helping scientists understand how storms form and change. Many drones also carry high-definition cameras, capturing dramatic photos and videos of the storm from unique angles. These visuals help researchers see what's happening inside the storm in real time and can be used for later analysis or public awareness. Some specialized drones are fitted with radar systems, which allow them to peer inside the tornado or storm clouds. This radar data helps map the shape and movement of the storm, revealing details that are impossible to see from the ground. As the drone collects all this information, it transmits the data back to the base station in real time. This live feed means scientists don't have to wait for the drone to return. They can watch the storm unfold and analyze the data as it happens. At the base station, teams of scientists and meteorologists monitor the incoming data on large screens. They can track the drone's position, see live video, and analyze weather readings instantly, making quick decisions if the storm changes. If the drone is damaged or lost in the storm, there's no need to worry about losing the data. Because the information is sent back live, all the valuable measurements and images are already safely stored at the base, ready for analysis. Sometimes, teams use multiple drones at once, flying at different heights and locations around the storm. This coordinated approach lets scientists gather data from many angles and layers of the atmosphere at the same time. By combining all this information, researchers can build a complete three-dimensional picture of the storm. This helps them understand how storms develop, move, and sometimes become dangerous. With more data and better analysis, scientists can improve weather forecasts, warn communities sooner, and advance our understanding of severe weather. In the end, drones are making storm science safer, smarter, and more effective than ever before. In the past, storm chasers had to drive into the path of tornadoes. They set up heavy equipment on the ground, hoping the tornado would pass nearby. This was slow, risky, and did not always work. With drones, scientists do not have to risk their lives. The drone goes into the danger zone instead of people. Drones can reach places cars and trucks cannot. They can fly over floods, debris, and blocked roads. Traditional chasers needed a big team and lots of gear. Drones need fewer people and can be packed in a small case. This makes storm research faster, cheaper, and safer. The biggest difference is the quality and amount of data. Drones can get much closer to the tornado's center. This means scientists can see things they never could before. It is a huge leap forward for storm science. Storm chasing has always been dangerous. Chasers have been hurt or killed trying to get close to tornadoes. Using drones means fewer people have to be in harm's way. Drones can go where people should not. They can fly into the heart of a storm, collect data, and send it back safely. If a drone is lost, it can be replaced. Human lives cannot. With drones, researchers can stay far from the storm. They can monitor everything from safe shelters or vehicles. This means more data with much less risk. Public safety is better too. Emergency teams can use drone data to make decisions without going into danger. This new way of collecting data saves both scientists and the general public. More and better data means better weather forecasts. Drones give scientists information they could never get before. Real-time updates help meteorologists track storms as they happen. With better forecasts, people get more warning before a tornado hits. Early warnings mean more time to find shelter or evacuate. This saves lives and reduces damage. Drones also help emergency teams plan their response. If they know exactly where the storm is strongest, they can avoid danger and help people faster. Clear, detailed data leads to smarter decisions. Over time, the information from drones helps scientists learn more about tornadoes. This means forecasts will keep improving in the future, making communities even safer. Autonomous drones are changing storm chasing forever. They make tornado research safer, faster, and much more detailed. Scientists can now study the inside of storms in ways never possible before. Communities benefit from better forecasts and quicker warnings. As technology gets better, drones will be able to do even more. They might even predict tornadoes before they form. The old days of driving into tornadoes are ending. The future is about smart machines and real-time data. Drones are leading the way to safer, smarter storm chasing. In the end, it is not just about science. It is about saving lives, protecting property, and helping everyone stay safe when storms threaten. The next generation of storm chasing is here, and it is making a difference every single day.